This is numbers 15 and 16 in the study guide. It says a sprinkler system can shoot water at a distance of 15 yards. So I'm going to just draw a little sprinkler here. This is really pathetic, but there's my sprinkler. And it can shoot water a distance of 15 yards. Now, if you'll remember, sprinklers kind of rotate in a circle. So it says it's set up to rotate to 240 degrees. So here I'm going to just draw my circle. And that span of water can go, let's just say, to like here. And this would be that it rotates 240 degrees. So from here all the way around, that's how much water it can spit out. It says how much area of the yard is covered by this sprinkler. So we're really trying to find the area of this shaded region right here. So let's set up our proportion, because it's a sector, and so we're going to be pulling out the proportions. We know that 360 degrees does not change. That's our whole. And part would be 240 degrees. We're trying to do area, so we want the area formula. So area is pi, my r, which is 15, squared. So pi r squared. And we're trying to find the area of the sector. So that's going to be my x right there. Ready to cross multiply? 360 times x is equal to 240 pi times 15 squared. And then we can divide both sides here by 360. These will cancel, and x is going to be approximately, give me just a second to plug it in. It's going to be approximately 471.2 yards, and since this is area, squared. Number 16, it says the clock in our classroom has a radius of 9 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a clock. Remember that with a clock, we start here at 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there's our center. It says that it has a radius of 9 inches. So we're going to just go up here and say that this right here is 9 inches. It says if it's 4 o'clock, right there, okay, find the arc length. We're trying to find out how long this is. And find the area of the sector. We're going to start with arc length. First thing we need to know is how many degrees this is. It's a circle, so it's made out of 360. How many sections do we have? We have 12 numbers. So we want to do 360 divided by 12. And that means that each section, so from here to here, is 30 degrees. So if we're going this, that's 30, 60, 90, 120. So if there are, again, 30 degrees for each number, and I've got 4 numbers, then it's 30, 60, 90, 120 in all to get to my 4. So here we go. You're going to set up your proportion. 360 degrees goes on the bottom, and we know that it goes with the 120 degrees. We're trying to find arc length, that's circumference. My circumference formula is 2 pi my r, which is 9, and I'm trying to find its length, so I'm going to put an x here. Cross multiply. 360x is equal to 2 pi 9 times 120. What do I do? Both sides I'm going to divide by 360. These will cancel, and x is going to be approximately, give me just a second, x is going to be approximately 18.8, and the unit here is inches. This would be the arc length. Now let's do the area of the sector. Same concept. It's out of 360 degrees, and we're using, sorry, I knocked down my microphone. 360 degrees, and we're going to use 120 of it. And we're dealing with area, so that's pi r squared, so pi, my 9 squared. And then I'm trying to find the area of the sector, so that's going to be the x there. Cross multiply, 360x is equal to 120 pi 9 squared. What do I do to both sides? I'm going to divide both sides here by 360. These cancel, and in my calculator, that's what I'm going to put, so give me just a second. 120 pi, 9 squared on top, 360 on the bottom, and I'm going to get approximately 84.8 inches squared.